Congo is not just known for being the richest country on earth for natural resources, also one of the countries that produces the best music in the world with legendary artists like Papa Wemba, Koffi Olomide, Lokwakanza, Franco Luambo Makiadi, Weranson or Fally Ipupa, or even being the land of sapology. But Congo is also known for being the land of tasty and delicious food. In this video, you will learn the top 10 most delicious Congolese dishes. Hello guys, welcome back to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn the Congolese culture and Lingala language easier and faster. If this is your first time being here, welcome. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click on the bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. And if you want to connect with me on Instagram, you can add me at Lingala Academy. When it comes to food, Congolese people do not play around. We really take it too serious. So let me tell you a secret. If you want to get the attention of a Congolese, or if you're a foreigner intending to marry or seduce the heart of a Congolese, my friend, you better know how to cook this, and I guarantee that you will thank me later. So here's the list of 10 most delicious Congolese food. Number 10. MATEMBELE. MATEMBELE is called sweet potato leaves in English. It's enjoyed daily by Congolese families across the nation. It's very popular because of the taste and nutritional values that it brings. Also, matembele is very cheap and easy to be cooked. You can serve your matembele with any type of rice, banana plantain, or pair it with some fufu or KWANGA, along with some meat and fish. Number 9. MAKAYABU. In French, it's called poisson salé, and in English, salted fish. MAKAYABU is a Congolese dish known for its irresistible taste and its appetizing, breathtaking smell that you can sniff further away. A lot of Congolese love MAKAYABU not just because of the taste, but also for the freedom that it provides to be prepared into any cooking style that fits your need. It can be fried, baked, prepared with vegetables and traditional spices, or you can cook your MAKAYABU with moussaka or palm oil cream in English. Number 8. MBISI. MBISI is a generic term for naming any type of fish. Dried fish is called MBISI ya kokauka. MBISI ya mai is the one coming straight fresh from a sea, river or ocean. MBISI ya kotumba or baked fish. MBISI ya kotokisa is called steamed fish. And MBISI ya kokalinga is called fried fish. MBISI is very popular among Congolese people, not just because of its taste or because they can make it into different menus, but another reason is because most Congolese are riparian people. They live along the Congo River, which crosses the whole country. As a result, fish can be present in any settings, whether in parties or at home. Also, it's used in the preparation of other food, such as cassava leaves, mushrooms, or some vegetables. Number 7. KWANGA na DINDON. KWANGA na DINDON is called turkey butt and cassava bread in English. Congolese love this so much because it's so delicious that even McDonald's, Jack in the Box, and KFC chicken all alone can't match it, especially the one made by street vendors. Number 6. LIBOKÉ. LIBOKÉ is a general term for any food packed or cooked in banana leaves or in foil sheet, either in an oven or directly on a fire. The most popular versions of LIBOKÉ are LIBOKÉ ya ngolo, LIBOKÉ ya mbika, LIBOKÉ ya ngulu, and LIBOKÉ ya NTABA. LIBOKÉ is generally served with KWANGA, makemba, or with fufu, but KWANGA is highly recommended because it gives your LIBOKÉ a very delicious taste. Number 5. NTABA na KWANGA. NTABA na KWANGA is a very popular street food in the country, and it's present in all the Congolese barbecue. It can also be made as kamundele. Kamundele in English is skewer. Number 4. FUMBWA. Because it's not cultivated and grows in the forest, FUMBWA is called wild spinach. It's made with smoked fish, onions, garlic, tomatoes, peanut butter, and oil. Make sure to put more peanut butter in your FUMBWA to make it thick and jelly. Otherwise, it will be watery and not tasty. That's not the cooking norm. So we like FUMBWA to be more mabaku. FUMBWA mabaku means you need to put extra mwamba or peanut butter in your FUMBWA. That creates small balls that you can feel and chew them when you're eating. FUMBWA is normally served with fufu or KWANGA. But if you don't have fufu or KWANGA, you can eat it with some bread. Number 3. TSHAKA MADESU. Also called PONDU ya MADESU or SAKA ya MADESU. It's a mixture of pounded cassava leaves and some beans cooked with palm oil and onions. It's served with KWANGA or bread, but preferably with rice. That's the norm. Number 2. MADESU. MADESU is the Lingala word for beans. It's one of the very popular recipes in the Congo because it's very tasty, easy, and it costs less to be cooked. MADESU gives you the freedom to choose whether you want to cook it with some pork, beef, MAKAYABU, makoso, mabumu ya ngombe, mipandi, mikila ya ngombe, or smoked fish. You can eat MADESU with some bread, ripe banana plantain, KWANGA, fufu, or some rice. Number 1. PONDU or SAKA. PONDU is called cassava leaves in English, but here we're talking about the pounded PONDU. It's the most eaten recipe in the Congo, not just because it tastes good, but because it's easily found in any Congolese market. Also, it's very cheap and affordable even for poor families. Another reason is PONDU is the only vegetable that can be served in any Congolese event. Whether you are at a party or at a funeral gathering, PONDU is always the menu. And it's a staple used to complete any meal. PONDU can be served with bread, fufu, loso, KWANGA, makemba, pretty much anything you want to eat it with, but maybe not with French fries, which I never seen people eating it with. But maybe you can try and let me know what you think. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and tell me which one was your favorite recipe. Share it with your friends and families. And follow me on Instagram at Lingala Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos, and see you in the next videos. Bye.